we are going to learn about articles in English grammar. Articles are small words that come before nouns, naming words. They tell us which person, place, or thing we are talking about. There are three articles in English: a, an, and the. Indefinite articles a and an. A is used before words that start with a consonant sound. Example: a dog, a car, a book, a teacher. An is used before words that start with a vowel sound a, e, I, o, u. Example: an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. Special rules. Sometimes a word begins with a consonant letter but has a vowel sound. Example: an R, because the sound is R, not H. Sometimes a word begins with a vowel letter but has a consonant sound. Example: a university, because the sound is YU, U, not U. Definite article the. We use the when we talk about something special or already known. Examples: the sun, the moon, the sky, the Taj Mahal, the Himalayas, the book on the table, a particular book we are talking about. We also use the before unique things, only one in the world. When not to use articles. We don't use articles with names of people. Example: Ria is my friend, not the Ria. We don't use them with most countries. Example: India is a big country. But we use the United States, the Netherlands, because they sound like groups of states or lands. Examples: I saw a cat. He is eating an apple. The moon is shining. Practice questions. There is dash dog in the garden. There is a dog in the garden. She is reading dash interesting book. She is reading an interesting book. I saw dash owl sitting on the tree. I saw an owl sitting on the tree. We are going to dash park. We are going to the park. He bought dash ice cream for me. He bought an ice cream for me. Dash Ganga is a holy river. The Ganga is a holy river. I had dash egg for breakfast. I had an egg for breakfast. The sun rises in dash east. The sun rises in the east. She is eating dash apple. She is eating an apple. There is dash book on the table. There is a book on the table. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.